An important part of getting a spine right and keeping it right is to make sure that patients hold up with their exercises. The other thing is that a lot of my colleagues are really busy dealing with acute cases, whereas they can give the maintenance part of their routine over to a device such as this. So really very useful from that perspective. One of the features I really like about this is the fact that it fairly clearly takes up the shape of the spine. It has a good deal of flexibility about it, so that it doesn't assume that all spines are of an identical shape, and that it can be used in a variety of different positions and situations. So it's easy to get onto, easy to use whilst you're on there, and has a tremendous application for restoring malfunctioning spines of different shapes. Take a close look at it.